And I do hope the press, they say Modi ka press hai, Modi ka voice hai, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಅಧಿಕಾರದ ವಿಷಯ ಬಂದಾಗ that the press will be honest, the press will be open, and that the press will expose the truth of this whole exercise of the special session and the defeat of this bill, because they tied it up with delimitation and the census. The Congress has always stood for women's rights. We have always fought for them. We have brought all the progressive legislation for women, and we have done everything we could to improve the status of women. And therefore, we are here today speaking out and explaining our position. We are for the bill, we are for this law, and we are for its immediate implementation all over the country. The OBC question has come in, and the question of reservation for minorities and various other issues. Now, ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ, we are for OBC reservation, but OBC reservation when it comes for all sections, so men and women, introduce ಮಾಡಿ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತನ್ನಿ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 33% ಮಹಿಳೆ OBC ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ. That has been our stand throughout. And I must say that we are for OBC reservation, but it can't be that the women's bill gets held up in the name of OBC reservation when the men don't have reservation among the OBCs. Bring the amendment, we will support it, and then you give us 33% for OBC women. That is our stand.